What is up, mathletes? Have we got a find for you? So, just a reminder, here in Dr. Math Studios, our big purpose is helping you out. Some people are going to say, Dr. Math, isn't this website going to take away business from you? If that's true, then that's excellent because, again, our goal is helping as many people as we can. And this is a great website, but no one replaces Dr. Math, right? People are always going to come to Dr. Math. So let's see, what does this website have for you? Because this is a great find, right? And this is a find that not too many people know about. So let's dive in here and let's see what's going on. So the website is called School Yourself, right? Schoolyourself.org. And it's a great website because it has a lot of tools that I'm going to take you through, whether you're being homeschooled, whether you're helping a child out, helping yourself out. It's a little unique here, right? And so it goes on the best online learning experience, second best because, Dr. Math Studios is always ranked number one. And so let's see why sign up, right? So what I'm going to take you through is a version. I'm not going to sign up, just to show you the tools that it has and what it has available for us, right? So it says it's free, unlimited access to lessons. The lessons right now are limited. It doesn't have everything, but it does have a lot, right? So that's why I want to go through this with you, and it gives you some recommendations. And what's nice here is it does have some personalized assessments, and when you get stuck, it has some nice features, right? It has a lot of room to improve, but in my opinion, this is pretty darn good. All right, so let's walk through. So let's say I just want some help. I'm going to go to Learn Now. You could sign in, but I'm going to click on Learn Now, excuse me. And notice there's also a place for teachers. If you're a teacher, feel free to check this out as well, right? To see if you could help out your students. And I'm going to go to algebra here. So I'll click on algebra and make sure you're using Google Chrome or Firefox. I believe that's a recommendation. I'm using it here on my iPad. And let's go to slopes. So I'm going to just pick slopes here. And I'm going to go to the introduction. And let me show you the beauty of this, all right? And again, it's kind of how we design our videos here at Dr. Math, where we want you to try things on your own, because that's how you learn math, right? So again, these explanations, as you can see, they're pretty good. They're not Dr. Math good, but they're pretty good, right? So let's go on slope. So start lesson. And let's hit begin lesson, just so you guys could get a see.
Like Mount Fuji in Japan, then you know something about slope. Slope is a number that tells you how steep a line is, like this line here that goes up Mount Fuji.
So notice it gives you a good visualization as they're speaking, and it kind of talks, it gives a pretty good description of what a slope is. And here's the part where I really like. It asks you some questions. So it gives you an idea, right? It talks about the subject, and then it gives you some questions. So you're forced to engage with before you move forward, because this has this intelligence built in it. So it's artificial intelligence. It's learning with you, right? It's seeing how can I improve, right, this person's learning. So ask a question, which line is the steepest? So based on their explanation, I would choose the right answer here.
This line is the steepest of the four.
I'm a genius.
And which line is the shallowest?
Shallowest,
Which would be
so
easiest to climb?
I'll go ahead and pick that correct answer.
Exactly. This line
And
is
now,
the shallowest.
let's see what happens when I don't know, right? When I need help. And this is what I really like. So this next question is going to ask us to insert some numbers. All right, so let's check this out.
Steeper lines, like this one, have greater slopes. The slope of this line happens to be 1.7. Why don't you guess some values for the slopes of the two remaining lines?
So it wants us to guess the slopes for the two remaining lines. And again, it tells you, points down here, if you're stuck, go to get hint. And what I like is, let me go get a hint. And it says hint number 1.
The slope of this line here should be between the slope of this line here and this one over here.
And so far, as I've gone through these, the hints that they give are pretty on point, which I enjoy. I wish they had more lessons, right? But so far of what they've built, this is a pretty good program. And so again, as I know they're going to continue to build on this because it is limited, but I just wanted to give this resource out for folks that are, again, you're struggling in math, right? Not only do you have our channel to help you out, but then you have something to actually engage with so that you could actually type in numbers and get some feedback. Let's say I put 1 there and 3 there, right? It's always great to be able to use a program to check your answers. So this is going to be a Dr. Math approved website, and again, it's called schoolyourself.org. So do us a favor, share this website, share this video with plenty of your friends, because again, our goal here in Dr. Math Studios is to help out as many students as we can, right? That's our purpose, that's our goal. So for you to help us do that, we don't need your money, right? But we do need your likes and your subscriptions, because right now we're kind of hidden in YouTube land, right? So we need these comments, these subscriptions, these likes, so that we could continue doing what we're doing and bringing you guys these resources, because I promise you, there's a lot more resources that are being built that we're looking at that takes a lot of time to find, right? It was an accident find this. It wasn't easy to find this. So to help us out, please subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.